Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your day one app subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel day 1 premium subscription via iOS. Go to the Settings app on your device and then tap on Subscriptions. Now, navigate to your Apple ID on the device and sign in. Go to the Subscriptions button and from the available options, select Day 1 subscription. You can now finally tap on Cancel and this will deactivate your Day 1 subscription. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Day 1 premium subscription via Android. Go to the Google Play Store you are signed into. Tap on your profile showing at the top right and you will see a number of options. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the list and then tap on Subscriptions. Tap on the Day 1 subscription from the list and then hit Cancel Subscription. Finish the steps and the subscription will be deactivated from your device. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel Day 1 premium subscription via online. Visit https://day1.me/settings on a browser. Link you can see on your screen. Sign into your Day 1 account. Go to Settings. Go to Manage under the Subscription heading. This will open a new window for Stripe, our payment partner. You can manage or cancel your subscription trial from here. Please note, your Day 1 premium subscription will renew automatically each year until cancelled via your account at Settings option. If you had a trial month, then your subscription will renew after 13 months from the time you signed up for your trial. Then it will renew annually after 12 months moving forward. Subscriptions purchased via official website account are refundable within 14 days of purchase or renewal. Please contact support for assistance within 14 days of being charged for premium.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your day 1 subscription. If you like this video, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.